SQL versus JSON. Which one should you use for data storage? Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing SQLite and JSON. For data storage and management, if you're wondering whether to use a lightweight database or stick with simple file-based storage for your project, this breakdown will help you decide. Let's dive in. First, let's go to the SQLite. Serverless lightweight database. Stores data directly onto the device, perfect for offline applications. It is simple setup and no need for a separate server like database is embedded directly into the application. It is also fast read or write performance, ideal for applications that require quick data access without an internet connection. It also has a cross-platform support, works with Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and more, but no real-time synchronization. Doesn't support live updates across multiple devices, and is also limited scalability. It is best for small to medium-sized application. SQLite is best for offline-first apps, mobile apps with local data storage needs, and small-scale applications that don't need cloud synchronization. On the other hand, JSON is best for simple data storage and serialization, lightweight and human-readable, easy to read, write, and edit manually, making it great for simple configurations or sending files. It is also flexible structure and no need for a predefined schema, stored wristnet dynamic data without constraints. It also has a cross-platform compatibility, widely supported across programming languages and platforms, with great for data exchange, commonly used in APIs for serializing and data between systems. But it's no built-in query support. You'll need to manually parse and search through data. Concurrency issues. It doesn't handle simultaneous read or write operation well, and not ideal for large datasets, which lowers performance for large files or frequent data operations. But it is best for simple storage needs like configuration files, small datasets, or when you need to exchange data between different systems like APIs. And now let's go to our final verdict. Use SQLite if your app requires structured data, complex queries, or reliable local storage with ACID compliance, which is perfect for mobile, desktop, or embedded systems. On the other hand, use JSON if you need a simple, flexible format for storing small amounts of data or sharing information between systems. Now, what's your go-to-go for storage? SQLite structured database power on JSON simplicity? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.